Hey guys, welcome back to PD 110. I hope you all fared well in the storm. This week we are doing our unit test on the first three chapters that we covered. It says chapters 1 and 2, and actually we covered chapter 12, but I haven't included any questions from chapter 12 in this unit test. So this test is only on chapters 1 and 2, due by September 24th. You've got this video, your test, your physical activity monitoring report, and the checklist. And let me just turn your attention to that checklist. Remember, if you see white, that's no good. That should be completely green. Okay, so if you have any white in your checklist, that means that you're missing assignments. And that checklist is your participation grade. So that's actually 40% of your grade each week. And so you want to make sure that this white bar is completely filled in green. Again, if there's white there, that means that you haven't done something. It could be as simple as clicking on a link. Okay, so this week, just two assignments: the test and the physical activity monitoring report. I've given you all feedback if you need to make corrections to the monitoring report, so please refer to that. If you didn't get any feedback and only a grade, that means that yours was perfect. And on some of the feedback, I mentioned the document that you need to use. This document right here, the physical activity monitoring log and journal. So if you're not submitting a screenshot of your fitness tracker, then you should be using this log here to document your weekly activity. Alright guys, as always, I'm here if you need any assistance. Take care and be safe.